So I had to put the Denon back in. Storm is creating a heck of a storm. And the fan on it is moderate. It's moderate. It's a kind of a low. I'll have to do RTA testing on that. I've been up nearly just over 24 hours. I don't know why I'm doing it. I'm absolutely shattered. I'll come back to this after I get some Z. I've got to make up a cable for the STDS. I've got to remake a new cable there on the Phoenix connector, so everything's networking back down from the CP200 over to the CP750 DTS. DTS is connected onto the 750, and then put that back onto the into auxiliary. Still trying to figure out what's up with the analog on that, on the analog card. It's probably a component, a relay, or maybe a resistor or a capacitor, I think. Simple thing, I just need to locate the fault, get the component replaced. I'll probably have to figure out how to get the Dolby SA10 back up and running in the system. Of course, I have to get the experimental overhead surround back up and running, because the overheads are connected onto the switcher box there. That's for the overheads, and that's for the CP and 750 CP200 switcher. So it's a bit complicated. Had the Empire Strikes playing back, Dolby Stereo, so it was going through the Technics down onto the video HDMI the video input to the HDMI output, down into the aux sync. It's number 6 input on the Storm. Number 7 is for the computer, and number 1 is for the Panasonic. A couple of these players I think I'll just take off the rack. I've got to leave the HDVD there. See if I can figure out what's up with the Pioneer here, why I can't get the remote to enable. So maybe do some Laserdisc Dolby Stereo 424 conversions to a dual layer DVD. Other than that, the Storm is very complicated, very complex to set up. The more time I get, doing it, the better I'll get at it, and then eventually, but it was packing a heck of a nice output, very nice output on it, and the Empire Strikes Back, gosh golly, some nice detail, obviously, and the Falcon's coming up to the Cloud City. Oh, the bass just pressing against my body, pressures the room. So I've got some XLR cable down here in a bag, and all these other cables, that's all what came off all the rest of the system, so it's quite a lot there, and mostly some of it's got to be reconnected and rewired, replugged. I've got to figure out where to put the other JBLs. So I'll connect up these later, the other to the individual outputs on the Storm. Probably a few more overhead surrounds, I don't know. I'd probably concentrate a little bit more on the below surround. Down there and down there, there, and at the back behind those seats. The same there, that's the same, and there's an extra one right underneath, and I've got to get another processor in in the rack, so it does the other below surround, so it's complicated. Yeah. Other than that, it's kept me up for nearly over just 24 hours. I'm gonna get some sea now.